are gonna go on Splash Mountain, which we thought our last time on Splash Mountain was gonna be August, and it's still open. So I don't know when they're planning on shutting that down, but I'm glad we get to go on it again. I think I see the end of the line for Splash Mountain. This whole section, like the bridge leading to Splash Mountain, completely closed for the line, which is just crazy. It says 90 minutes, so we'll see. Lots of fun on Splash Mountain. We were in the front row and got very wet. And Calista put both her hands up this time.
Yes, I did.
She said it was exponentially more fun.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go find a snack or just maybe even like a drink and sit for a few minutes because our feet are hurting.
Yeah.
And then hopefully go on Pirates if it's running, or I don't know what else. See where the day takes us. There we go. Pirates was down, so we got a snack. Hopefully it comes up soon. We're waiting right over by the tiki room so we can see if it opens up. Our snack was very tasty. I enjoyed it at least. And Calista did too. But now it's getting a little chilly because the sun's going down and there's a pretty strong breeze. So we're gonna go to the Emporium and see if Calista can find a sweater. I mean, I did buy I bought a sweater earlier, but I'm not cold yet, so I think I'm just gonna hold off. But let's go see what they have in the Emporium. I'm sure I'll find something too. Maybe not a sweater. We'll see. Like these ones? Is this for you or for George?
I don't know. At this point, I'm kind of looking for me. I might get
They have Minnie, Mickey,
it's pretty cute actually.
white Walt Disney.
To wear today.
Yeah.
Do you like the white?
I do like the white.
Or the red?
Minnie's cute. Yeah, Minnie's really cute. And then you can always remember you got it on Valentine's Day.
Yeah. I definitely don't want it small. You're gonna have to get a large, or would that be way too
No, medium.
Which one?
I don't know. It's a tough decision. Which one does your gut go to?
I like the white better, but I'm afraid I'll get makeup on it.
Get the red then.
Yeah.
Yeah. The red will definitely stay better.
Where's Connor? So this is for me.
Okay.
Hey, what's your price? It's...
Don't forget it was 30% off as well.
Okay. Anyways.
What? Oh, those are cute, yeah. Are you gonna get those? I feel like you should get this to match your sweater.
What if I was a little bit nicer looking?
You over it? Well, I did not find anything in the Emporium, but we also have the most ridiculous, slowest cash out experience. If you've ever seen Love Actually, when the guy is like cashing out the guy for the gift for his mistress, it was that times 100. It was insane. Like, it actually felt like we were in a show. Like, how far can we push you before it's just insane? But must have found some stuff, so that's good. And now it's raining, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Still pretty though. Pretty, pretty. Even in the rain, she's pretty, right? Yes, smile. It is raining, but that's okay because we are staying. True Disney fans stay in the rain. Yeah. I'm hoping it's gonna clear out some crowds. We can get on some rides. We just did Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That was super fun. And seems like it stopped raining, but we're gonna go over to Space Mountain one last time, and then we're gonna call it a night and go to dinner. And it's just been a super fun day. Even with the rain, it's still fun. Off to Space Mountain. That's the wrong way. She's never done it before, so. Right, she's driving. See how well she does. The last time I went with Dan, he did this the whole time. He swears you cannot do it though. Keeping it on the road. I'm not crashed yet. Coming into the turn. Like, oh, we can see Tron. You're doing a great job. Hey. Way better than when Dan did it. He literally bounced the whole time. Sorry, Dan. It was so fun. Glad we did it. I mean, for a no wait, both those rides were fun to add into our day and make us feel like we did more rides. Yeah. Because everything else we did was like the long waits of the day. So I'm happy we did it at night. Me too. I'm glad we did like all those rides at night. Like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train felt way faster. Yeah. Tea Party, I feel like the lights are better at night. Yeah. And it's just more fun. And then that one's always such a hot wait in the day. Like I'd much rather do it at night with no wait. And now we're going on Space Mountain. Yay. so much fun. Calista at the front row, which is always like, the front and the very back are like the best spots. So very fun and a perfect ride to end our last full day in Disney. Because it's our favorite. What is your favorite ride in Magic Kingdom? Let me know down below. We had such a great day in the Magic Kingdom. Did you have fun, Calista?
Yes, I had a great time.
Yeah, we're gonna end our night with a photo pass and go over to dinner at the Wave. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. I hate leaving the Magic Kingdom. Get it to the Wave. Valentine's Day, so they have a little special menu. It's a rose margarita, chocolate strawberry drink, and then there's a strip steak. And I guess you can add a 4-ounce butter poached lobster to any entree on the menu, I guess. So they're definitely starting with a crab cake. And I don't know what else. I think I'm gonna go with the strip steak and I'm gonna add the butter poached lobster. Probably won't be as good as Narcoossee's, but maybe. Have you dined at the Wave before? Let me know down below. Just finished up our dinner at the Wave. Calista really enjoyed her gnocchi. Her lobster was cooked a little bad, but they took it off the bill, so that's good. But I enjoyed my meal, and I think we're gonna call it a night.
Yep.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.